Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Scarlet with Scarlet's Little Crafty Corner, and today is April the 2nd, and y'all, I just got my FEELOOK art canvas. I think maybe they are now sending their canvases out in groups, because I've never gotten one this late in the time, I guess you could say. But it's here, and I'm glad, and I cannot wait to see this. I have refrained from watching anybody's videos that has this particular canvas because I wanted this to be authentic, and I wanted to see everything for myself. So, this is the March. Like I said, this is April the 2nd, but I just received this yesterday. So, yeah, it was a little late getting to me. But this is their March, from their March series, and these are goddesses, different goddesses. And this is from FEELOOK Art, and you can see they have got a nice, beautiful box. I show y'all the box every time because it is just absolutely gorgeous. So every diamond you place is a small step towards something extraordinary. It has their logo on here, and it opens from the side, but I guess I ought to probably show y'all what's on the back. So again, it has their logo. Now the picture of the canvas is over here on the side of the box, which I love because I can put this in my cabinet if I can't get to it right then and there, and I can see what it is without having to open the box and get everything out, unroll the canvas. I have got a picture, the name, dimensions, all of the info is right there in the sticker. And you can peel the sticker off and put it anywhere on the box that you need to. So on the back, it does have the steps to diamond paint. It also has your kit contents and all their info for their guarantee, their socials, and their address. So let's open this up, and then y'all can see which one I got. I am really excited about this. A friend of mine also got this kit, and she has been so excited for me to see it myself because I told her I was not going to watch her video until I seen my own kit. So, that's all that's in the box, but when you open it up, it does say, when tiny sparks become masterpieces. So I think that's really cool, and I love that this box just put the canvas back in it, put it up until you have time to work it, or even after you complete it, but you don't have anywhere to put it, you can roll it up, stick it back in the box, and that way it keeps it from getting dirty. So it does have the card, but we'll look at that here in a second. Okay, so all of your canvases is going to have your instruction book, which is exactly the same thing that it has on the back of the box, but this has your QR code. You have got the socials. You can see they do have a Facebook group now. They have a Pinterest, Instagram, and of course the YouTube channel. But on the back here is got a place to where you can put the date that you start working on your canvas and then the date that you complete your canvas. So that's pretty neat. Alright, so I'm going to put the box back here behind me so that we can actually look at the canvas. Now, this does come in this plastic sleeve, and you can see it has their logo, their brand, FEELOOK Art, when tiny sparks become masterpieces. This does have a short lint, almost feels like felt backing, and you can see that it is serged and scalloped so that it keeps from the canvas from fraying. And y'all, this is the one that I got. This is Celine. Isn't she gorgeous? She is so pretty. So here's the card. I love that they are doing these cards. I collect these. So yeah, I love putting these in my little my thing that I keep my cards in. So the top has their logo on it, and on the front, even though this is like a fuzzy, like I said, it's like a short length kind of felt looking canvas, but on this side, you hear, and it has sparkles in the canvas, so you can see that it is clear. I guess I could show you that while I've got it up in your face. It does have 40 colors, and 7 of these are going to be, I guess, specials. And then we're going to have, oh, wow, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Or is that a special? Is that an AB? Lord, I can't see from here. I'm going to have to pull it up so I can see. Yeah. So we're going to have an AB, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 minis. And then the 7, oh my gosh, I don't know. Y'all, I'm going to have to look. But she's beautiful. Now, there was several to choose from. I chose this one because I just thought she was very pretty. Well, you can see right here, we're going to have some specials in her jewelry. All right, let's look. Well, you know what? Let's look at the toolkit first. So this does come in a branded reusable toolkit bag, and it has the contents on the back. And you can rip this open if you want. I never do. I just pop it open. So you're going to get the screw-in wax pen, and you're going to get, you know what, I'm just going to pull everything out. Okay, so you're going to get the stickers, the holographic 1 through 60 stickers. All right, you are going to get 2 bags of baggies. There are 60 total, so there are 30 bags in each one of these baggies, and these are the good bags. I love these, and I do use them because I use them for my spare drills. You get the sharp, pointy, crooked metal tweezers. You get 2 Mosfa-like trays with a spout. You get these 3 wax, and then this has got wax in it. This is putty. Okay, so you can use either. These come pre-filled with the pink wax, but once you get all of your wax used, then you can just drop one of these down in here, because you just take this out and then you just stick that down in there, and you can use the putty. It's whichever one you prefer. Okay, we're going to set that over to the side, and we are going to open these, and we're going to look at all this. Oh, and look, it does come with a regular pen. So they've started throwing a regular pen. No. Oh, this is not a regular pen. This is for your minis. Because look. Oh, I don't have a regular. You know what? Hold on. Hold on just a second. I can grab one. Because I have a whole bunch of them. That was the box that just fell over. No big deal. Well, it fell on Buster. But he's okay. All right, so here is your normal pink pen. I don't know if y'all can see. Let me bring it down just a little. Can y'all see the difference? There's a difference. The hole on this is smaller than that one. So I don't know if you can tell or not. But this is for the minis. These are for the mini drills. So I'm glad that they are listening to us because we have said that we needed something small for the minis, because I have actually been using this. So the tip on this is for nail art. So, you know, when you go to get your nails done, they use these to place rhinestones and stuff on your fingernails. That's what this is for. But this is wax, and then I just dip that end in wax or putty, and that's what I've been using. So I'm glad they sent this because I'm excited to try it. All right, let's look at these drills, y'all. Let's look at the drills. All right. Oh, wowzers, wowzers. Okie dokie. All right, so these are the regular drills. So we're going to have a lot of 336. They do have the DMCs listed on the bags. Also, the canvas number is on the bags too. So, these are your regular drills. Regular size drills. I do like all these blues and yellows together. They are pretty. Now, I am a purple. I like purple. But I also like other colors. And blue being one of them. So, very pretty. So, this is what we want to look at. Wow. Look at these teeny, teeny, tiny minis. Wow. Look at those. Look at it. They're so small. Those almost, if you didn't know any better, they'd almost look like sesame seeds. Look at that crystal. And then these are just regular size. So you can definitely see the difference in regular size drills and the micros. Crazy. Then we got some more little micros. And then we have these. Very, very, very pretty. Ooh, look at that. Look at that teardrop. We got some crystals. Different size crystals. We got some stars and then some round. Very pretty. So, looks like the stars are actually going to go up here in the stars. Duh. And then you're going to have these, and then I'm sure these crystals here is going to go in her belt and in her jewelry, her crown. That's probably what these crystals are. Maybe these. I don't know. I don't want to look because I like to be surprised while I'm doing my kit. But you know, all of her skin is going to be the micros. Looks like there's going to be some maybe in her hair. Her eyelashes, eyebrows, her lips. Yeah. Gorgeous. Very, very pretty. I'm excited to start this one. Yes, I am. I might have to kit this up when I get off this video. Very, very pretty. Yeah. I'm just looking to see if I can tell if any of the micros go anywhere else. I think the majority of it's going to be her skin, her hair. Does look like those one crystals are going to go kind of in the creases of her dress, in the flowers. Yeah, this is going to be gorgeous when it's done, y'all. It really is. So I want to say thank you to FEELOOK Art. And I will leave in my description box the link for this. I also have a affiliate code to where you can get a percentage off of your, if you decide to purchase anything, you can get a percentage off of your total. And if you go in using my link, I believe it gives you something. So, yeah. Gorgeous. Oh my goodness. It is so pretty. Yeah, I'm definitely going to be kitting this up. I am. All right. So thank you to FEELOOK Art for sending this to me. And I will start this one and I will show progress as I can. So, all right. I appreciate everybody watching. And until my next video, I will see you all later. Bye, y'all.